rushing out now so that I can go to Hotel AVA Malate and do a meet and greet. Thank God the weather is not raining. Taking out the G82 M4 and let's do a cold start. These are valves closed on the G82 M4. It's got the fab speed exhaust and nice. It's loud, but it's not that loud. We have a meet and greet that we're hosting in our hotel AVA. I'm quite curious to know who's going to show up today. I already got messages at 6:30 in the morning that people are there already, which means we're running late. So let's go for a drive and then I'll update you guys in the early part before all the happening goes down, because we open the doors at 8 a.m. This is the second time we've done a meet and greet in the hotel because we're trying to get, I guess, new eyes, new followers, new people to look at our business and hopefully become our patrons or our clients later on down the line, because it's shifting. The markets are shifting and this year has been super difficult for the hotel. So we're helping pump it up, promote it, and also launching our new room, the King's Garage. It's going to be an epic room. I actually haven't seen it in person. I've only seen a photo. So excited to see that. We're going to be releasing all the official photos so that everyone can download it and get a high resolution copy. Setting up the cars. Here's the entrance to the King's Garage, which is down there. You might as well look at the room while there's no one here. Ava, Murasaki, Archangel, 458 GT3, and this is the new King's Garage. This is the old car porn racing wall in my first car shop. We did a camo pattern based on a bathing ape, which is a Japanese company. Wow, morning. Little snooker or billiard table, some mag wheel tables with brake discs. These are all recycled parts. Karaoke. Here we have an arcade system and then the Black Manta. Cool. So we have one more item which we're gonna put on the wall over here. It's gonna be a Porsche face. But before the commotion gets crazy, that's cool. I love seeing that. Even the taillights actually work. Shout out Second Skin for wrapping this. Classic Speed for making the kit. My team at Carporn for helping out. This is a 997 turbo. Morning. Check that out. Like speed yellow. That's cool. Another speed yellow 997 turbo. Morning. Albert. Legendary. Beautiful spec. And then another 997 turbo. Morning! 1M M4. Not so mini. Ooh, what's this? I remember inviting a classic 550 or 575. What is that? It is a 997 turbo wide body, but I don't know what kit. This is from Nozumi Malusaka Fitment Engineering. I think that's going to become an RWB next year. I'm not quite sure. This used to be Jay Cuenca's old Charger, and then we have a Stang, a Lexus here. We have it looks like a 575 992 GT3 care of Motul. I've always wanted to drive one of these cars, but still haven't had the chance. Hopefully one day. Wonder if it's worth the hype. I do like the mini Motul banner. And yeah, shout out to Decal Republic for helping me. They've been printing our RWB stickers. This is cold start. Oh wow. Holy cow, that's resonating everywhere. This is so pretty and wide. I love that. Thank you. Awesome, RWB fam. A lot of our family in RWB is not available, but we have some support. We have RWB Tubero coming later. I don't know if it's Tubero 1 or Tubero 2. Let's go get some coffee first. We have a display of our tower farm here. Indoor grown cauliflower. And then we have Glenn from the tower farm, Mikey, Kim, Kevin. This is indoor lettuce also. We have some free veggies. We're making our hot sauce. So exciting. Indy, this is apple cider vinegar drink. Oh yeah! What's up? Check it out, guys. Our Hilux build with Jake. What's up?
Sabi natin walang truck. Huwag siya na lang yung truck.
Ganda. Gotta trail this thing. .430 is good.
Yeah.
What up? Nice. Check this out. 430 Scud. Beautiful. And then a Gallardo. Morning! Okay lang. You're just in time. Wow! Manual Gallardo. This is amazing. Beautiful wheels. Love the color. Okay, let's park some cars. It's so fast and the furious, I love it. Look at that. Welcome to Hotel AVA Malate's open house. I'm Angie Mead.